Oh hey, hi! How's it going? Today is a very exciting day. We are getting a 7-foot tall dinosaur delivered. Yeah, remember in that video where we explained all the crazy shit that happened to Rob? And we told the story about when he woke up and he asked me if we could get a dinosaur. You know, you also asked me for a dinosaur to put in the backyard, so.
Well, yeah, who wouldn't want that?
And I said, sure, we'll get one and we'll put it in the backyard. And it's here. Oh, you gonna help with the delivery?
I guess so.
You excited?
Got a dinosaur.
I'm super excited. Oh my goodness. It's like Jurassic Park. Yep, we officially own a dinosaur now.
Woo!
Why is it every time you're in town I get a large annoying delivery? It's a big responsibility, Rob. Are you ready for this?
Ha, matters, right? You only live twice.
Don't hurt yourself, Hollow Queen G. Watch the nails.
I'm having memories of us trying to figure out how to open and close the casket.
Oh yeah, that was scary. Rob was in it for 24 hours. Didn't you pee in there a couple times?
Oh, God. Well, at least it's not as big as the car.
We had to get rid of that too.
It was my favorite car.
How you doing there, Sky? We're all just sitting here watching. Rob does look really happy right now, so it's all worth it. Well, so where do you think this dinosaur is going, Rob?
Well, I mean, you open the thing up and it roams and finds its own little...
It roams free.
That's what it is.
It multiplies.
I mean, you only got one though? Don't you need two so they keep each other company?
That's what we're here for. I'm gonna ride the dinosaur.
Oh, goodness. Wow. Unboxing my dinosaur. I actually don't hate it as much as I thought I was going to.
It's much smaller than like the usual objects.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna be, I see now 7 feet long. It makes sense, but
right,
not
yeah.
tall.
Okay. Wow, he looks mean.
Oh, yeah.
He looks a little drugged out.
Yeah.
A little cracked out.
I need some meds. We have Christine and Ben over here working on the tail.
Wow.
Just pull it out, pull it out.
It's like Christmas.
Oh, my God. Uh-huh.
Like the perfect
Actually,
thing.
that is a good riding.
It is a good riding size.
Here he.
Uh-oh.
Don't break a window.
Watch out. You wanna fight, bitch?
Wow, he's so cute. Come on, Christine, match the gradient. Oh, shit.
Excited to see you.
Wow, look at that. It's like a slide. Perfect. Let's build a theme park.
There's 3 more coming tomorrow. Sweeties.
That's not funny. Are you dinosaur from lifting that dinosaur?
All right.
Wow.
Good?
Yep.
It's official. We have a dinosaur.
Sweet. This is a goddamn dream come true. It really is. Yeah, here's the deal. When I was young and they would have career day, I would dress up as like an archaeologist. I would have all the little dinosaurs. This is amazing.
So do you think part of your bucket list we should go on an archaeological dig somewhere?
Sure. You know, this could be good enough. You know what I
This
mean?
is good enough?
We buried this somewhere in the backyard. You have to find it.
I love it.
We need to put it over there in nature.
Okay.
Oh goodness. Beep beep
You're welcome,
beep.
Rob.
Right there.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Wake him up in the
That's
morning.
perfect right there.
There?
Drop it.
Oh, I just dropped it on my foot. No, we're good.
That's it. Thank
You're
you so
welcome,
much.
Rob.
Dinosaur's got a piece on it, eh?
What?
It's a bit of a bulge.
This?
Wow. Yeah, we're gonna have to blur that.
You don't want to get demonetized because dino porn. You gotta mount it.
I'm worried.
Don't break it.
You're gonna paint the nails hollow.
Well, that's why I'm here.
Put a little hollow taco on those nails. Boom.
Yo, he does have nice
Actually, you know what
nails,
that could
though.
be?
That's a good idea.
That's maybe all you have to do.
Can I borrow your PR kit that I sent you for Holocaust?
You didn't send. I had to buy it myself.
That's not true. I sent it to you.
Next up, hollow nails.
Yes.
We have a dinosaur now. Well, Rob is upstairs resting because that's what he needs to be doing. And we thought it would be a great idea if we gave the dinosaur's nails some
Hollow.
yeah, bitch.
I'm gonna give you a manicure, okay? Maybe I'll paint your tail too if you're lucky.
You are pretty good with the tail usually.
Shut up.
You sent me a little note. Did you sign this personally?
I think that was a picture of my signature, but yeah.
What?
Hey, look. This dinosaur laid some hollow tacos. What do you know?
Wow.
No. Okay, wait. See, you gotta put the flashlight on.
Oh.
And then you gotta go,
wow.
wow.
Oh,
wow.
holy shit.
There you go.
That's some trippy ass shit. You're right, I was doing it wrong.
Right?
Yeah, sold out all over the world. And guess what? I got my hands on some. This is the only PR list I'm on, by the way, is yours.
You're the most important guru on our list, actually.
I am wearing lipstick.
I think first we need to clean his nails, okay? We gotta prep him because they're a little dusty. Because I don't know if you know this, but this dinosaur is very old.
Do you know how old?
1600 BC.
What?
I have no idea. I can't remember.
Wait, hold
How
on.
old are dinosaurs?
Yes, the dinosaurs were roaming around with the Romans. They actually used to battle dinosaurs in the Colosseum.
Oh, so it's much further before Cristine.
Oh, shit. You know, you and Kanye West have a lot in common.
Wow, his nails are very like nicely shaped.
You're missing the little back thumbnail, though, whatever you call that.
Oh, this?
Uh-huh.
That's to kill prey.
I think it's actually to help them run faster.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant. So I was thinking Mr. Dinosaur could use, you know, like maybe a blue base coat.
I think that works really well considering he's mostly blue. Oh my god, it's actually really cute.
Really cute. This might be the biggest nail I've ever painted. What a beautiful shade of dinosaur blue. Well, this is an interesting customer. Never been asked to get under someone to paint their nails before. Ah, you sure? Wait, what? Are you making it? Do you think he'll be surprised that we painted the nails?
What are you guys doing to my dinosaur?
What?
Nothing.
Why is he on the table?
He's having a spa day.
Go back inside, play with Ben.
We love you.
We love you, Rob. Well, let me see. Oh, that looks so good.
Isn't it pretty?
I'm not biased, but like that looks really good.
It does look beautiful, the hollow.
It
I'm
actually
really
does look
impressed. People are gonna be so upset in the comments too. I can't believe you did that to the hollow.
I tried to buy and I couldn't, and this is why, because the dinosaur got it.
The dinosaur got all my hollow. You're like Michelangelo right now.
Or Picasso.
Oh, did he paint things upside down?
No. But they were always messed up. Flip on the flash, Skylar. Wow.
We're about to triple team this dinosaur.
Oh God.
Are you getting on my table?
Oh, what? I'm not a nail painter.
Who are you? Now
Now
your life has purpose.
You're not painting that right.
No? Really?
One direction only,
Oh.
this way.
this
and
way?
like lots of it. Like you're not putting enough on.
And don't push too hard. You gotta like float it on. Like float it on.
Look how pretty.
You did not spare on the hollow.
More hollow the better, right?
Absolutely, that's why we're friends. Look how much we used on this dinosaur. We're gonna have to charge you for half a bottle, sir.
There he is.
What is going on out here?
We upgraded your dinosaur.
Ready?
What?
Look at those nails.
Wow. I didn't know this dinosaur was gonna become a holosexual, but he looks pretty good.
He doesn't seem too happy about it.
No, it's a good look for the dinosaur. I'm pretty you know, excited about it.
Yeah? You don't seem too excited about it.
Rob, is our collab over?
That's it. We'll see you next week. I mean, I'm pretty impressed. I thought it was pretty boring before, but you add the whole hollow element to it.
It's out of this world.
Exactly. We'll place it tomorrow, and then when the sun shines on it, it's gonna be
We'll get all the beauty guru shots.
yeah.
We're gonna use Christine's track too.
cut to that. Well, I died, and all I got was this lousy sweatshirt and this dinosaur, which actually was kind of worth it. Big thanks to Ben and Christine for coming over and helping with the nails. If you want to see some behind the scenes, be sure you click that join button. Hey, and if you want some merch, be sure that you click down below. We got a link for that as well. We'll see you around here next time.
Hello, everyone.
We're all live and alive. Oh, everyone's so excited. They want you to play
Yay!
Donkey Kong so bad.
Donkey Kong.
Yeah.
How old is this game?
This game came out in 1979.
Shut up.
Is that it?
Ben, sit like a lady.
Stop manspreading, Ben.
Yeah, Ben, what is
Let me
that?
get behind you.
Oh, God.
Sucking current in.
We gotta be careful with taking off clothing for money. Yeah.
Does everyone know we're swingers, or is that a secret?
Oh God. Now it's not anymore.